that I stand before you today to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our newest member. Ano ganing mga paano? MJ Mix, MJ Azul, Astro, MJ Pistol, anong mga klase pistol na? And Raven, MJ Raven. So, who is joining our esteemed kapatiran or our organization, no? PGDL, RAM, UK, Bacolod chapter. So, your decision to become a part of our community is a part of our community is a testament to the shared values and goals that unite us. We are delighted to have you with us and are eager to see the unique contribution you will bring. Our organization is built into the principles of which is the CADS, commitment, acceptance, dedication, and S,